This is the new iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue. It is beautiful. Got 3 new 48 megapixel cameras. We want to point this out. We got 8x zoom on the telephoto lens and a digital zoom up to 40x. Let's see if I can capture that right there. It's gonna be so much fun to play with. You got a 4x as well, 2x, 1x, and 0.5x. So framing here, auto zoom, auto rotate. We can just turn that right on. And now, if I want to expand it, center stage. Now we can take photos, selfie mode, but holding the phone just like this. I think that's crazy. We can switch it back to vertical, horizontal. There's so many different options in selfie mode. And for videos, this even works for videos, right? We can take a horizontal video, vertical video, all in the same form factor because the sensor is now square on the new iPhone 17. We also have dual capture. We just tap this right here. We tap on dual capture. And now we've got this activated. Oh, we can move ourselves around. We can zoom in while we're recording the video as well. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Looks stunning. We've got new ceramic shield on the back as well.
Section.
Okay.
Front and ceramic shield too. So 3 times better scratch.
Ceramic shield on the front and the back.
Have 8.
This looks beautiful. Stunning. Oh, and up here is this
Millimeter wave.
Millimeter wave. Okay. Millimeter wave on this side. It's been moved off the side here to the top of the phone. So hopefully we get better connection there. USB-C.